In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a windshield washer reservoir on a Honda CR-V. It's located behind the front bumper. Once you raised and supported the hood of the vehicle, behind your passenger front headlamp is this piece here that you need to remove. You have one piece here, it's just a clip. You push straight up and pull out. This piece here, just pull straight up. Like that. Take this here and just pull straight up. After you remove this piece, put it off to the side. Right down here you have one clip. You need to remove that. You push this piece in on the side. Same thing on the other side. Pull up on the reservoir. Pull that piece out. Put that off to the side. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 19mm lug nuts you need to remove. Take your tire off, put it off to the side. We're in the right front wheel area. Once you remove your wheel, you're going to have a couple of fasteners that you're going to have to take off. Let's start with this one here. Just pull straight out. This one here. These come out in 2 pieces sometimes. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Sometimes these come out in 2 pieces too, like that. This one will probably come out in 1 piece. If you do break these, you need to replace them. Like that one's definitely going to need to be replaced. And then you have one up here. This comes straight down, like that. Now you can take out your fender well liner. Take your wheel liner, tuck it on the other side of your rotor. Just tie it off so it stays there. It's out of your way. Your washer reservoir is held on by 3 fasteners. One here, which ours is missing, a 10mm bolt here, and then you have a 10mm bolt that goes in from the back side here, and that's that right there. There's actually another fastener, there's another 10mm bolt, and that's right back here. In order to get that last 10mm bolt, we're going to have to remove this bumper piece here. You can start off with this trim panel. Take an interior trim panel removal tool, back here, pop straight out. Take that piece, kind of put it off to the side and hold it. You're going to have to remove that Phillips screw there. Remove that Phillips screw. Once you remove that screw, take your hand behind the bumper, push straight out, like that. Now you can get to your 10mm bolt. Remove that 10mm bolt. You can take your bottle and drop it down a little bit. Now you're going to need to unplug it, which is your plug right here. It's just a push pin. Push that like that. Pull it straight up and out. That's the pin that you want to push and then pull. Swing it down. Now it's time to unplug your 2 hoses. This is full, so fluid is going to come out when you take the hoses off. Another tech tip for you though, if you take a piece of tape, put it around this hose, because you have 2 of them, you don't want to mix those 2 hoses up. Now you know what hose goes where, and then you can just mark this side. So this hose goes to this side, that hose goes to that side. There's another tech tip for you. If you take an old piece of hose and just put a screw at the end of it, pull that out, now you can put that one on like that and it won't leak. Do the same thing for the other side. Now you can remove your hoses from your bottle through there. through. Same thing with this one. And you can remove your bottle. Take your new washer reservoir, fish your hoses through. Make sure the tape stays on that one. Put your new hoses on. The taped one was on this side. Remove your tape. Secure your other hose. Slide your bottle into your fender area. Take your plug, listen for the click. Install your little clip into the hole there. Take your 10mm bolt, start it here. Just put it in finger tight. Now you're onto this bolt here. Put your bolt in here through the back. Start that by hand. Now your 10mm bolt that's back here. Tighten that. Now your 10mm bolt here. Now your 10mm bolt here. Now if you remember we had a missing clip here, I'm just going to put a push clip there. Now that's nice and secure. After you get your washer reservoir all bolted in, you can push your bumper back on, just lining up the tabs. Push straight back. Make sure that's nice and secure. You're going to put your Phillips screw back here. Tighten that. Now you're ready to put this piece back on here. Same thing. All you're doing is lining up holes on the bumper and on the fender. Push that back in like that. Unhook your fender liner. Swing that over. Tuck it up into the side of the fender here on the top and down the side. Start off by putting this piece in here. And I'm going to go up here, put that clip in. Then we're going to go to these clips here. Push that in, and then over to this. That one came out in two pieces, so you put the second piece in over the first. I'm going to go right up here. That's in, and then last we're going to go up here. Push that center piece in. Take your tire, slide it over your lug nut studs, put your 5 lug nuts on. Snug those up. After you load your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Before you install your top part of your reservoir, you can take the cap off. Put that off to the side. Inside the fender well, there's going to be a hole from where the bottom reservoir is. You want to install this piece into that hole. Then install it onto your clip. You can hear it clicking. Make sure it's secure. Now take your plastic cover. Slide it into the fender here. Put it over the bottle. Take your fastener. Put that down there. Take your other fastener. Clip that down. Now it's time to fill your reservoir. Take your cap, slide your tube down, secure your cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.